Hi everyone, I'm Mary Beth from babysavers.com, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of something that I am really excited about. I just got it in the mail, and I don't think I've even seen one of these in person. If I did, it's only been like in passing. So I can't wait to open it up and see, because even the box is a lot different than I thought it would be. So I will start. I already untaped the box so that I could just get it out quickly. That's all I've done, and everything else hasn't been opened at all. So I have the new Cricut Joy. It's your DIY best friend, and it is so small. Like, the box is so much smaller than I thought. Just put this down here. So this is the Cricut Explore Air 2, and this is the Cricut Joy in the box with packaging. So I think that's super fun. I think the Cricut Joy is going to be adorable, and I am going to show you what we have. All right, I need to find scissors or a knife. I might have something there. Okay. Anyway, that's done. Okay, so here we go. You guys, look at it. Look at that. It is so small. All right, let's see what else is in the box. So it's just like this. It's all packaged. It's all very compact, which I like. Oh, this is kind of nice too. It's all like built-in padding for it. A little packet. It says "Open Me." Okay. Oh, look at this. All right. So it says "Let's get started," and it's just like, looks like it's a simple like 3-step setup, and a few materials to make your first project. So it has a square or a rectangle of cardstock, some vinyl, silver vinyl, the standard grip mat, warranty information. And then, all right, so I took this out of the box. I'm gonna just put this to the side. So there's the cord, and more of the cord, and a pen. So that is everything that comes with the Cricut Joy in the box. Oh, and it says on the box, just so you know, it includes the Cricut Joy machine, the blade plus housing, fine point pen, standard grip mat, 4.5 inch by 6.5 inch, a welcome card, power adapter, free trial membership to Cricut Access for new subscribers, 50 ready to make projects online, and materials for a practice cut. And what you need to use the Cricut Joy is a compatible computer or mobile device and a high-speed internet connection. And a few things, I'm gonna take the shrink wrap off of this if I can do it easily. And then, what else is on the box? But oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. Look at that. Isn't it so cute? Okay. I can't wait to use it. So it's just a little, it has one little slot. So for your pen or your blade. And it is open in the back so that your project can slide through that way, I'm guessing. And it looks like it has a little light on the top, but it's very lightweight too. I am not really good at estimating it, but it's like like a bag of flour or less. So like, I'd say it's like less than 5 pounds. And about the size of a small bag of flour. So it's really tiny. All right, and then the box says, use your smartphone or computer to create any custom project in minutes. Easily switch between a blade for cutting and pens for writing and drawing. And it cuts individual shapes up to 4 feet long, or makes continuous cuts up to 20 feet long without a cutting mat. Well, that's kind of amazing that it does. I wonder what the cutting mat is for. Well, that'll be interesting. All right. So that is everything that comes with the Cricut Joy cutting machine. My my DIY best friend. So that's it. You can take a look. That's everything. Thanks so much.